I've made over $675,000 with copywriting. If you're trying to become a 10K month copywriter, you're not going to get far if you don't practice your copywriting skills. If you want to make thousands of dollars a month, you need to build a skill worth thousands. But the question is, when you're new, what's the best way to practice to actually level up fast? Well, after making consistently 10K months for years, here are 4 quick tips to become a skilled copywriter so you can start landing clients in 3 to 4 weeks. Number 1, morning power writing sessions. This is the first thing I started doing. So I landed my first client in just over a month after I started. I quit my job in 3 months and moved halfway around the world. I made my first $9,000 a month in 12 months, and I've consistently made 10 to 15K months since. So what did I do to get there? It all started with power writing sessions. So the reality is, no matter what skill you want to master, whether it's copywriting, basketball, or unicycle juggling, you need to put in the reps. The same is true for copywriting. You need hours in the game. You can't just go and spam 100 cold emails and cold DMs every day just because some YouTube guru told you to and expect to build a 6-figure copywriting business out of it. You need to get good as a copywriter. So here's what I did to start. You need to do the same thing. Number 1, I woke up every morning before my 12-hour day job, by the way, at 5 to 6 a.m. Then I opened up Google Docs on my laptop. Then I turned on a timer for 30 or 60 minutes, however much time I had before I had to leave for work. And then I just wrote. When the timer ended, I stopped. That's it. That's power writing sessions. Open up Google Docs and just write. I didn't do any backspaces. I didn't stop to think about what I was writing. I didn't have any agenda. I wasn't thinking copywriting. I had no prompt, no just anything. I just wrote. So why do this? You need to build your general writing muscle if you want to be a good copywriter. Copywriting is 2 skills, writing and sales, writing and consumer psychology, writing and selling things with your words. The first part of that skill is general writing. So you need to build this up. You need to just start writing, getting your word count in, get your hours in. This will grow you the fastest for your very first copy exercise. Number 2, you need to start hand copying sales letters. So if you want to be great at anything, you need to replicate what the greats did. So what better place to start than analyze the best pieces of copy in history? Just like up-and-coming basketball stars will analyze footage of the greats like Jordan, Kobe, and LeBron, to get better, you need to analyze the great copywriters. So I'm talking Gary Halbert, the GOAT, David Ogilvy, Joseph Sugarman, Gary Bensavinga, John Caples, and more. What you're going to do is look at their top performing ads and sales letters. So you can just go to Google and type in Gary Halbert sales letter or David Ogilvy ad, or you can go to a website called swipe.co. Then analyze those sales letters and just rewrite them. Not rewrite them like put them in your own words and change them. Literally write them word for word, exactly word for word. So whose idea was this? It wasn't my idea, actually. It was Gary Halbert's idea on how to level up your copywriting game. Who's Gary Halbert? He's the Michael Jordan of copywriting. He's generated over $1 billion in sales. So he sold the most, he's the GOAT. Listen to him. Find winning sales letters and ads and hand write them every day. Just hand copy them word for word. I did it and it got me to 6 figures in 1 year. So you should do the same. Number 3, practice a copy specialty. So what does this mean? It means when you're new, it's very hard to figure out what to write, right? People just tell you, oh, just practice copywriting every day. It's like, well, what does that mean? Like, copywriting is so broad. There's so many types of copy. Ads, VSLs, blogs, emails, ebooks, website copy, landing pages, YouTube scripts, social media copy, and many, many more. It can be super overwhelming as a beginner to try to figure out what to actually practice. This is my suggestion. Pick one type of copy and specialize in it. So don't just write random samples of different types of copy every day. Most of the time people get overwhelmed, don't even know what to do, so they don't even do it. Instead, become a master of one. That means experimenting to see what you like if it needs to be. So don't try to master everything. I picked blog posts at the beginning. I landed my first clients for their blog. Later on, I was like, you know what? I want to do more direct response stuff. So I specialized into emails. And that's been my primary specialty since. So once you've got your power writing sessions going in the morning and sales letters, they'll just say at night, add in some specialized copy practice in the afternoon to fill in the gaps. Morning, afternoon, night. Sounds like a lot, right? But here's the thing. Do you want to hit 10K a month and you want to do it fast? Well, then you need to put in the work. Practicing copy for 5 to 10 minutes every few days isn't enough if you want to win. You don't need to be a maniac about it though and write for like 6 to 8 hours a day. 1 to 2 hours a day of consistent practice will get you good enough to land clients in 3 to 4 weeks. And guess what? You have 1 to 2 hours a day. Just look at the time app on your phone, which shows you all the apps you use all day long: Instagram, Netflix, TikTok, video games. You've got 1 to 2 hours a day. Do this. Number 4, practice on real companies. If you want to take things to the next level, like most courses and gurus will tell you to practice writing random samples about mating companies and products. But that's not going to help you out much. You could start there, but instead, afterwards, you need to check out real companies. Then, rewrite their copy. So, are you an email copywriter? Sign up to email lists and rewrite a company's welcome email. Are you an ad copywriter? Go to Facebook ad library and rewrite a company's ads. Are you a Twitter ghostwriter? Check out a real company in your chosen niche and write them a new thread. So you're going to master copy the fastest when you start working on real companies run by real people with real products and services. So just to recap, step 1, start doing morning power rating sessions tomorrow morning. If you need to go to bed earlier tonight and don't binge Netflix and play video games, if you need to go to bed earlier tonight, wake up before your 9 to 5 tomorrow, set the alarm for 6 a.m., whatever you got to do, wake up and just crush some coffee and write. That's what I did. It worked for me. After that, start hand copying sales letters from the greats. Go to Google, type in Gary Halbert sales letter. You're going to find a bunch there. Write them out word for word. This is best done with a pen and paper by hand. Just write up. You will automatically start learning like how to write good copy just by doing this practice. Number 3, practice with a special type of copy. So specialized copy. This could be like, my top 3 would be going into emails, ads, or sales pages. And just pick one of those things and just practice that every day. Then, once you pick that, go find actual companies online. Don't just think of, I'll write some fake thing that ChatGPT tells me to write. No, go to find real companies online. Go to Instagram. If you're into fitness, go look up fitness coaches. Go sign up to their email list if you're an email copywriter. Go look at the email they have and then rewrite it. Rewrite it according to what you're learning from the great dudes on the sales letters and all the practice you've been doing with powering sessions. Rewrite it so it flows better, so it uses copy principles, and you're going to get good fast. So if you enjoy this, click subscribe for more videos like this. And if you want to take things up a notch and land your first copywriting client in 90 days guaranteed, then check out my 6-Figure Copy Academy at the link below. I'm actually just going to show you a little quick tease of this because I just launched this. So this is the 6-Figure Copy Academy. There's only 100 members max in here. And what this is your proven path to become a 10K month copywriter. And if you sign up, you'll get your first client in 90 days guaranteed. So in the academy, we've got community to help you out. We got me in here answering all your questions. We got other copywriters going through and posting questions, getting answers, and hyping each other up, sharing wins. Who's at the top here? Ali. He just is at $1,000 a month. He's about to hit 2K a month. We got a classroom. You can go through my full 90-day roadmap to learn copywriting from scratch in 30 days, to start landing clients, to manage those clients, scale to 6 figures. Got a whole bunch of juicy bonuses in here. Hey, this swipe file, actually, you can just go into this and go hand copy your sales letters from those. This is my personal swipe file of like 73 classic ads. Tons of bonuses. We got a calendar with coaching calls every week to give you even more in-depth help as you're going through the roadmap. We got copy feedback every week. So if you want to level up fast, this is the fastest way, is get another copywriter who knows what they're doing a bit to give you feedback on your writing. We got a whole bunch of people in here, leaderboards with like unlockable bonuses and all this stuff. So super fun and will help you reach your goals. And again, this will get you your first client in 90 days, guaranteed, or your money back. So check it out at the link below, and I'll talk to you later.